All right, I got the Famedio Sleep 2-in-1 heated cervical traction device for neck relief. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own, and you should always consult a doctor before using any type of medical equipment. But I just want to show you what you get when you receive this product. It comes nicely packaged in this box. It's got some instructions on the back here for you. Obviously, it comes with the user manual that also gives you some instructions and suggested use items for this. You can also check the bullet points up there. 6-foot power cable, so it's pretty long. It's got a USB on one side that you plug it into, and it has a USB-C on this side, which plugs into this power port right here. So you've got 6 foot of room to move around. Feels pretty durable, and this feels like it's on there pretty good, like it's not going to come ripping off on you or anything. It plugs in and it stays in. You've got to apply a little effort to get it out of there, so be careful when you pull this out. That's a good thing. Won't slip out and fall out on you. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be, so I'll give you an idea of the size of this real quick. Front to back, it is about 7 inches long, and from side to side, it's about 8 inches long. So it's kind of compact. It has this V shape on the front, C shape on the back. It is made out of a hard foam, and it's got some pressure point like bubs sticking up inside of here to apply pressure on the back of your neck. Inside of here, it has a graphene heating element, so it gives you uniform heating across this entire cover. So how this works is you plug it in here on the side, the USB-C into the port on the side. You've got a remote control right here, and you can see when you turn it on, it goes into medium, and you can see a light lights up on the side here to let us know that it's working. And it's got 3 different settings. It goes to high, and it goes to low, and then it shuts back off again. So when you turn it on, it heats up this pillowcase here. It's a sweat resistant, like sandwich mesh fabric. Actually, it's got a little thickness to it. It feels kind of comfortable. According to the literature, it's some type of magnetic therapy pillowcase, and it feels pretty durable. If you do undo this zipper to pull the foam part of it out of here, be careful putting it back on. Just when I've done that. The temperature inside of here ranges from below 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The medium is going to be 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and the high is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you forget and leave it on, it'll time out after 30 minutes of use. So that's a cool safety feature to have on there. According to the literature, this is the first heated neck stretcher on the market that provides graphene far infrared therapy and magnetic therapy and gravity neck stretching. So if you're looking for a heated cervical neck traction device, check this one out by Famedio Sleep.